In this lecture, we're going to look at the bus multiplication, which you can also call area model multiplication. Okay? Let's start. Say you are given 7 multiplied by 5. Okay? To use bus multiplication, all you have to do, you get a bus, okay? Because this is just 1 digit. We have just 1 digit. So you put 7 here, you put 5 here. Or you put 7 here, you put 5 here. You can even decide to put the 7 here, you put the 5 here, or you put the 5 here, you put the 7 here. It doesn't matter, okay? Put them as you want. I put 7 here now, I put 5 for instance, okay? 7 multiplied by 5, you agree with me, is 35. That is all. Okay? Now, let's go for 2 digits. That is, for instance, 23 multiplied by 15. The same thing. Now we have 2 digits. All you have to do, you get 4 boxes. Let's make it big. 4 boxes. Okay? Now, I take this. You agree with me, this is 23, which is equal to 20 plus 3. While 15 is 10 plus 5. Okay? So for this now, you can either put it here or you put it here. So once you choose to put this in the vertical, you put the other one in the horizontal. It depends on you. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this one, we put 20, we put 3. For this one, we put 10, we put 5. This is now 15, this is now 23, okay? That is the first step. Once you get this first step, the next is to start multiplying. This box, we want to get a value for it. As you can see, this and this meet at this point. So we are going to use this and this. This multiplied by this, 20 multiplied by 10, you agree with me, is 200. You put it here. For here, 20 multiplied by 5. And you agree with me, that is 100. Then you come for this now. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Okay? So once you do the multiplication, you do addition. This plus this will give us 300. This plus this will give us 45. Okay? Then you add this together to have 5, 4, 3. That is 23 multiplied by 15. Using bus multiplication, you arrive at what? 345. You can pause your calculator, you see it's the same thing. You can also say, I don't want to add them like this. I want to add like this. This plus this is 230. This plus this is 115. 230 plus 115, if you add them together, this plus this is 5, this is 4, this is 3. Any way you add them, you are still going to arrive at the same answer. Okay? Let's continue. Let's say we have 123 multiplied by 45. Okay? Now, how many digits? 3 digits. So we need to prepare 3 boxes for them. This is what? 2 boxes. So either we go vertical for this or we go horizontal for it. So let's do like this. That is 3 position, okay? But for the horizontal, we're going to keep it at 2. That is, this now is 123. Then this is just 2. 45. Let me show you. For this, you agree with me, is 123. Then we take this one. After that, remains 23. We take 20. After that, we take 3. If you add all this together, you are still going to have 123. Okay? The same thing with this. 45. 40 plus 5. Now you can work on it now. This that I did, you can do it like this too. You can do like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, that means 100, 20, 3, 40, 5. You can. Now, let's multiply. This multiplied by this to get here is 4012. This multiplied by this is what? 500. This multiplied by this is 800. This multiplied by this is 100. This multiplied by this is 120. This multiplied by this is 15. Okay? Now, we add them together. If you add it like this, this plus this is 4500. This plus this is 900. This plus this is 135. Okay? Then, we can rearrange this to say 900, 135. Okay? We add them together. This is 5. This is 3. This is 10, 15. Carry 1 plus this is 5. So you can see we have 5535. So this is the answer. 5535 for boss multiplication. Okay? Let's look at this. 123 multiplied by 106. If you are asked to do this, that is 3 by 3. It means 3 by 3. All together 3 by 3. 3 by 3. This is 123. Before, I used to write this here, the first one. It doesn't matter. Just to let you know that what? You can decide the direction you want to go. This is what? 100 followed by 0 followed by 6. You can do it like that. If you add all of them together, still the same thing. But some people will not want to do it like this. They can simply remove this, say, I don't want to do it like that. I want to put 100 first and make this one just 6. You will still get the answer. Okay? So what I will do now, I will follow this method. 100 multiplied by 100 is 10000. This is 2000. This is 300. Okay? 0 will produce 0 for all. If you multiply this by this, that is the reason why I said you can decide not to use it. Okay? If you want to do it, it's okay. Then you use 6 now. 6 multiplied by that is 600. This is 120. This is 18. Okay? You can see now this is useless. This is useless. So the best thing to do is what? Put 6 here. As long as you add this and this together, you have 106, you are good to go. So this is what? 600. This is 120. This is 18. Okay? Then we add this together. To add this one together, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 3, 2, 1. You add all of them together. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. Okay? Now let's also add this one. That is 600, 120, 18. You add this is 8. This is 3. This is 7. That is 738. We add this together. This is 8, 3, 0, carry 1. This will give us 3, 1. 13038 for the boss multiplication of this. What if you are given something like this, say s plus 2 multiplied by s plus 3? You are asked to use boss multiplication. So you can see, it's like you are having something like this, 22, which is equals to 20 plus 3, you are asked to multiply by 15, which is 10 plus 5. You multiply this now, that is this position, the same thing, okay? So don't be confused. All you have to do, this is what? Like this. You put S here, you put 2 here, here S, you put 3 here. This multiplied by this is S squared. This multiplied by this is 3x. This multiplied by this is 2x. This multiplied by this is 6. You add them together to have S squared plus 3x. You add this together, you have 2x plus 6. Then you add all this together. To add this, we follow this plus 3x. You agree with me, this and this are the same because they have the same variable. That is 2x now plus 6. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to add them together. This will give us 6 plus, this is what? 5x. This is what? Plus s squared. Our final answer. If you want to do it direct, you agree with me that this multiplied by this is s squared. This multiplied by this is plus 3x. This multiplied by this is plus 2x. This multiplied by this is plus 6. S squared plus this and this will give us 5x plus 6. So you can see, we are using this Bose multiplication to show that we know how to use Bose multiplication. Because a question will come, say, using Bose multiplication, solve this. You have to show these steps to show that you know what you are doing. I believe with these examples I gave you here, you understand now how to use the Bose multiplication method or the area model method. The same thing. You call it Bose multiplication or you call it area model multiplication. So what you will do for me now, you're going to help me to solve this. This multiplied by this using Bose multiplication. Solve this for us and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you.